What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so a little background of where I'm at and everything. So I decided last night that I was gonna go visit one of my boys that I haven't seen in like, I don't know, a couple months I'd say, because he did come to the Adam LZ open house and all that stuff. But this guy I was in the military with, and if you guys are true subscribers, true like fans or whatever, like true supporters, you guys know who this guy is, alright? Because my original videos were, you know, back when I started off when I was in the military and I was in Japan and everything. Like, this guy was in my videos and everything. So I am very excited to be spending the weekend over here with him. It's gonna be awesome. Hey man, I gotta hype you up, dog. Drift King over here. So what up, DK?
No, not quite, man. Just working and hanging out.
Yeah, I feel you, bro. I feel you. I don't know if you guys remember my videos and stuff, the earlier videos. This fool would be like, I'd ask him something and he'd be like, okay. He wouldn't do anything. I'm like, this nigga, man. Right now he has the Camaro and then he has the Prius. He has all his tires and wheels in the Prius. We're gonna try to get some of those mounted today so that he could show me what he's been practicing and what he's been, you know, doing out here. Cause I never knew that this guy was into drifting like all that much until he got the Z28 and he started like, you know, sliding and everything. But when I was around and when we lived with each other, like around each other in San Diego, this guy was nothing but like straight line type deals. Like, he had the SRT, the white SRT4 before. He had a Miata. He had a freaking like bunch of Civics. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's gonna be dope. But yeah, let's get this day started. Shit's looking hurt, dude. He thinks he's sick at drifting. We'll see. What? Nothing, dog. Don't worry about it. Another thing, guys, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading that often. I know I've been trying to basically stay consistent. I just, with working full time, I've been trying to basically make videos whenever I can. So on the weekends, usually I try to make videos, and just, I don't know, guys, just bear with me for now, because I'm still trying. I haven't forgot about y'all, all right? I wish I would have recorded it. My car is probably like the easiest car to drive, bro. How do you stall it in reverse?
Yeah, your clutch is like way at the top.
I'm ready to go. Damn, dude. That's pretty impressive how you fit all this in here.
Basically a truck.
Yeah, right? Just cut the rear hatch. And put like a firewall or a piece of glass or something over there. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. For a Prius.
For a Prius?
Fuck you mean? Just had an amazing breakfast at my sister's restaurant. It was pretty good. Check out Fancy Southern Cafe if you guys live around Fort Myers area. But yeah, right now me and this guy are checking out some spots for tonight. So yeah, we're gonna see if anything's gonna actually like be able like to do. What?
Words are hard, man.
Yeah, words are hard. Yo, that Evo's sick, homie. Damn. That's the cleanest Evo I've seen in Fort Myers, dog. Yo, Percy, where you at? Puts BMW wheels on his damn Camaro. Damn, dude, them things are heavy, homie. Here.
Hold on.
What are you doing, dog?
This comes undone.
We got the tires mounted, everything's good to go. Now, tonight, we're actually gonna probably clean the cars or something. There's gonna be a car meet or some shit tonight. We're just waiting for the location. Once that comes out, we'll probably go there, and then afterwards, you know, we'll do some ratchet shit for you guys. So we're washing our cars right now. After that, we might slide like 1 or 2 times just to do it, but not knowing how well my camera's gonna pick up the whole like video footage and everything, because my camera sucks at low light, except for like now, because obviously it's lit or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna try to see what my camera does on the low light. Hopefully we find a place that has enough light to, you know, for it to be like a good video or good content for you guys.
Without you, I fade out. Without strength, without love, I lose sense, I lose sight. Without you, without light, what would I do without you?
Just made it to the spot. Let's see how this comes out. Oh my god. Bro. You good?
Yeah, man, it feels snappy.
It's the tires now, you gotta get used to them, man. Dog, I thought you were gonna hit that or this one.
I snapped and all I can see was that truck.
Try to take it a little slower. Oh yeah. Alright, so for this clip I didn't use my camera because it's low on battery. The battery's in my car. I was just like, it's a little shaky with the camera, as you guys saw in the last clip, because I did both the camera and the GoPro. But for this one, let's see if we could just do it with the GoPro. So let's check it out. Oh my god, that was sick. She scratched the rim, maybe.
Nah, a little bit of dirt.
Probably should have watched this after we did the Hoonigan stuff.
Happens, man.
Yeah. Well, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that. And we're actually gonna try to make a part 2 to this video. Maybe gonna be titled something different. But we also have tomorrow that I'm gonna be spending with him. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, leave a thumbs up. If you guys didn't, you know, express your feelings. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below about everything today. And let me know if you guys want to see more. I'm for sure, like, I'll for sure make some more trips down here to visit my boy. Haven't seen him in a while, but it was good hanging out with him. And tomorrow we got part 2, guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces. One love.